Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and I wanted to share with you a technique that is working really well. It's not going to be applicable in every situation, but I am actually working on a work van for a local HVAC company. They come to me, bring their vehicles every time that, let's say they have a employee get promoted or an employee leaves and they want to kind of turn over the truck for a new employee to use it. They bring it to me to detail, which is awesome. I love it. It's just great, steady business, and I like the challenge. I like really dirty things. So I want to share with you guys. So the inside of this work van work truck, I guess it's a Sprinter, was used by a plumber. So you can imagine, yes, it was gross. I'm not wearing gloves because I don't want to think about it, okay? So I don't, anyways, so I want to share with you guys, I'm working on the floor here, and this looks fantastic, but I'm going to stop the video real quick. I'm going to show you an image of what it looked like before, and then we'll come back and take a look at the after. So check this picture out. So as you can see, we've got some really good results. So I want to share with you guys my technique, what I'm using, how I'm using it to get quick results and not necessarily having to just touch gross, awful things. So I'm really not touching stuff. Let me bring you around here. I'm sorry for the shakiness. Alright, so you can see here, I've got my Aqua Pro Vac, and I also have, give me 1 second, I have in here, this is the IK foamer. I have in here Rage about 4:1. I have my drill brush, that I have my green brush head, that's just kind of a medium. And I'm gonna grab my tripod real quick and try to show you the results. But you can see here, this is the before on the passenger side. I have not done anything to it, and it's dried on there pretty well. I mean, it's dusty, but if I were to try to just take, here's an APC. Let's just take an APC and see what kind of clean we can get. That's just APC in a rag. Obviously that's not very good clean results. You can see we're getting a lot of soiling on the rag, but I don't want to have to go through tons and tons and tons of rags. I mean, I like keeping my rags. They cost money, so I want to try to preserve them if I can. So I'm finding, here's kind of a beginning process that I've done in the middle here. So let me put you down and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to try to do this section real quick. We are in the sun. I don't want to let this stuff dry out too much, so I'm just going to do a small section at a time. But let's say you do detailing for work trucks, or maybe you just work for a company that they have you turn over trucks and you're wanting to get really good results, or maybe you just have a work truck and you have these kind of vinyl floorboards that they're really great for working in, the construction industry or plumbing or anything like that, but they're not necessarily the easiest to clean. So Superior Products Rage, we have that right here. We're going to just foam this on in this one little section. Like I said, we're just going to do one section right now because I don't want it to dry out. We're going to bring our drill brush in here. I have it on a lower speed because I don't want to sling stuff everywhere because, again, this is gross stuff. But I will say this, I am going over it repeatedly. This is at a lower, it's at speed 2. This is just a cordless battery drill. It was like super cheap on Amazon. You can use a powered, a corded drill or anything like that, but you don't want to be super aggressive and scratch the vinyl. So we're just coming in here. Alright, now we're going to get our extractor and we're going to just pull that up. Alright, so let me pull you in close to show you what that result looks like. Alright, so you can see we've got kind of, I didn't tape it, but you can see we've got our area where we scrubbed. This is just drying off, but the extractor does a fantastic job of pulling all of that dirty water and just quickly drying it, accelerating, you know, just the clean time. And you can see even where the rage made contact with all of the sludge, let's just call it that. Let me be ignorant for just a moment. It lifted all of that sludge up, loosened it. So we're gonna just continue this process. I know this isn't necessarily, you know, gonna be applicable in every situation, but this product, Superior Products Rage, if any of you have not tried it on like WeatherTech mats or anything like that, is a fantastic WeatherTech mat. The uses for this product honestly are limitless, from tires and wheels, road film remover, bug remover, WeatherTech mats, even work vehicles. If you want to clean up the plastic vinyl floorboards, it is a fantastic product. I use it for door jambs, I use it for engine bays, anything that needs degreasing, anything that has a buildup of just dirt. It is fantastic. I wouldn't necessarily use it for interiors other than this specific situation. It's not recommended for, you know, like the vinyl plastics because it may stain, but this is a very durable product, very similar to WeatherTech mats, or, you know, just even the rubber that you find on the exterior of your vehicle. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Hope that can help some of you out. Maybe you're in a situation where you do detailing for work vehicles or work trucks and you're needing something to deep clean these floorboards or WeatherTech mats. Check out Superior Products Rage. Fantastic. It's available to purchase at O'Reilly's, and you can also purchase it online. You do have to pay shipping if you purchase it online, but I'll be honest, guys, I buy this stuff by the 2-3 gallons because I use it for everything. So much love to you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.